If you've ever wanted to add a GIF on X, formerly Twitter, but weren't quite sure where the button is or how the process works, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to add a GIF to your post on X using your computer browser, step by step, in a way that's quick and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X in your PC's web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your home feed or your main dashboard. From here, look for the post button, or you may see the box that says "What's happening?" Either one will let you start a new post. Click that to open the composer. Now that the post window is open, take a look at the toolbar just below the text box. This is where X gives you different options for adding media and enhancing your post. You should see a GIF icon in that row, and it usually says GIF. Click on that GIF button to open the GIF library. After that, you can either search for a specific GIF using the search bar or browse through the trending categories if you want something popular or fun. If you already know what you're looking for, just type in a keyword that matches the reaction, emotion, or moment you want. For example, you could search for happy, excited, funny, wow, or any other word that fits your post. X will then show you a selection of GIFs related to your search. Once you find the one you want, simply click on it. The GIF will instantly attach to your post, and you'll see it added before you publish. At this point, you can still add your text, adjust your message, or include any hashtags if needed. If everything looks good, click the post button to share it with your followers. That's it. Your GIF is now live on X and ready to grab attention in the feed. As you can see, the process is very simple once you know where to look, and it only takes a few clicks. This is a great way to make your post more engaging, more expressive, and a lot more eye-catching. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps support the content and lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.